Hello, welcome back. In this module, we are going to learn Azure Synapse Analytics. It's one of the very popular and very useful service inside Azure. So it's a very useful service inside Azure, and this service allows us to design data warehouse as well as perform big data analysis. So one single service that helps us to perform big data analysis as well as design a data warehouse. So let's see how this is working. So let's compare a typical Azure Data Engineering project. We might have multiple sources. Then we will use Azure Data Factory to ingest data from different sources into Azure Data Lake. Then we will use different types of computing systems like Azure Databricks or HD Insight to perform the transformation. And once we perform the transformation, we will save this data into a data warehouse or into a SQL DB. And from the relational database, Power BI or other reporting tool will access this data and create a visualization. So this is the typical system. And what is the drawback of this system? The main issue is, even though all these services are part of Azure, we need to use different portal and we need to perform different kind of monitoring system. So we need to use different systems to monitor all these services, as well as to grant access we need to use different levels or different services. So how Azure Synapse will help us to solve this problem? So you could see, similar to the previous architecture, all the computing part, say instead of Azure Data Factory, Azure Databricks and Data Warehouse, we could use Azure Synapse Analytics. This service allows us to access data from all the external sources. We could access data from different external sources, and this service is connected with or integrated with Azure Data Lake. Or we could easily integrate this service with Azure Data Lake. And just like how we used to perform ingest operation in Data Factory, we have an option to data integration. Also, to design data warehouse, we have SQL pool. And to perform big data analysis, we have Spark pool, and there are many other services are there. And the cool part is Azure Synapse Analytics is integrated with many Azure services like Power BI, Azure ML, Cosmos DB. So you could easily integrate all these services with Azure Synapse Analytics. So if you want to design a data warehouse or if you want to perform any big data analysis, you could easily go with the Azure Synapse Analytics. Even though there are many services and many components are there, once you learn the basic, you could easily design data engineering project using Azure Synapse Analytics. So instead of using different services, you could use a single service that will perform or that will help you to design your entire data engineering project. So let's see the importance of Azure Synapse Analytics. It uses SQL technology. To implement data warehouse, and it uses Spark technology to design or to perform big data analysis. Similarly, there are some additional services are there that help you to perform log analytics and time series analysis. Then we have pipeline. Just like how we use Azure Data Factory to perform the data integration, similar kind of service is available within Azure Synapse Analytics itself. So instead of using Azure Data Factory, you could use Azure Synapse Analytics pipeline to design your workflows. And finally, it's integrated with many Azure services like Power BI, Cosmos DB, Azure ML, and many other services you could easily integrate with Azure Synapse Analytics. So this is very powerful service, and we are going to learn how to use Azure Synapse Analytics. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.